So I have this particular object right here, and let's just go around and then animate this. So I'm just going to go around and keep my timeline cursor over here, and then go around under the position right here, just like this. And then I'm going to go around and bring this mouse over here and maybe rotate this a bit over here. Then on the rotation as well, let's keep the animation over here. So this is what you have. So let me just go around and bring this in the beginning and change around the rotation over here, just like this as well. So this is how it animates. Then similarly, I'm going to go around and bring this in over here and then go around and rotate. And then this is what you have, as you can see. So the rotation is actually here as well. So there's a bit of a movement, as you can see, just like this. So now what you can also do is you can see the keyframes by individual properties as well. So to do that, you can go around and right click over here and then click on show keyframe animation right here, and you can see the X, Y, and rotation properties right here individually as well. So I can go around and individually adjust this out right here, as you can see, and then make changes to it right here, just like this. So I can go around onto the beginning and press the play button, and you can see that that is what you have. Now you can go around over here and exactly see where the keyframe is. You can go around over here onto different properties right here. Like let's say, for example, there's different properties over here, and depending on what you want, you can go around and add in keyframes to those as well. So this is what you have right here. So apart from that, I can go around and add in keyframes to scale, let's say, for example, and go around onto the area right here and then work around with the scale over here. Similarly, I can go around over here and add in keyframe to the opacity and so forth, as you can see right here, and even over here in adjustment section right here in different areas right here. So I'm just going to go around and add in keyframe to all of these, let's say, for example, in this particular footage, and then I can go around and then show the keyframe animations, and over here I can go around onto, let's say, for example, contrast over here as well, and then I can go around and add in animations to it. So I'm just going to go around over here on and then increase and decrease out different elements, and then that is how you can add in keyframes, as you can see right here, and then maintain it out individually right here, just like this, and that is what you have. So now you can see the end result just like this. So that is how you can go around and view out and adjust out property wise keyframe animations to animate everything in much more detail inside of CapCut desktop editor. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe